Was it really?
Yeah.
It just stopped.
That was also me shifting
Go.
shit away.
Good. I have to. Does it let you chirp in a second?
Yeah, if I,
Oh my god, dude. The grip. Oh.
Where are we going?
I don't know, this is a parking lot. Dang, dude. It's just like solid suspension.
Yeah, this is with shitty tires.
So nice. How hard have you launched it?
Do a little
Launch. Do it. Oh my god.
stop sign.
I feel the limit slip kicking in. Like it spun one and then it kicked in instantly.
Yeah. I need to replace the diff fluid actually. Okay, so where do we go?
Dude, I don't know this area too well.
Yeah.
It's not horrible roads though.
No. Which way? Is it? I was
New Dallas,
I think it's right.
I guess.
That's gonna be a lot of traffic.
Yeah, closer to the cop station.
Alright.
You're not gonna.
I can't do second gear starts. I used to do that every day in my old car. Which way?
Got the highway. You can go up. Go up. Yeah, just go up Cuerville.
You wanna go up to that one school?
Yeah. All right. Right.
Damn. Right here.
Oh. Oh my god.
Just grips.
That's nice, dude.
Should I turn here?
No, you can go up there. There's a GTO in there. Oh my god, dude, that was so much grip.
I know.
Oh, dang. Stepping out. Watch out for that bump. That vicious. It's up here.
This one here. We're going over that last
Oh, they
one.
fixed it. Hey, oh, it's all new. Make sure. Go for it. Donut. Big donut. What?
Understeer.
Why did it?
My foot slipped.
What? Go for it. It's on your camera. Wait. Oof.
Shit.
Sickening sound of
Get
unders.
out of here.
Not really. No. Dude, wait. You want to do one race real quick?
Get that?
Mama, that's nice. I don't
Last time I drove on this road, there was a few inches of snow, and I was still doing 60.
You didn't get up to 60.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
When I was waiting for you, I drove up and down here through these curves.
It was covered in snow.
Yeah.
go back to my car?
Yeah, sure. This way?
Yeah, it goes. There's a bridge here, but we can't. No, we wouldn't be able to turn right. I think because my mom told me to get back. So after 4 we left.